everybody and welcome back to Jujulina's channel. Here today we have Jujulina and Jujulinka here and we're gonna go exploring, just us two.
Hiya everybody and welcome back to our weight loss channel. Today I'm gonna be strapped to that all day and just look and shit in my nappy and maybe eat something. Okay, bye!
Hello everybody, welcome back to Miriam Cass channel. In this video we are actually in Udaipur, which is another location here in Rajasthan on our way from Pushkar. The thing is, we've actually been here yesterday. Today is the second kind of day, third even, but yesterday we couldn't do anything because I was really sick. I had really extreme stomach pains, I don't even know why, and I was pretty much stuck in bed for like most of the day. But today I'm feeling so much better due to, I guess, resting and the sickness passing by, and we can explore the city. Unfortunately we're only here for one day and we are leaving tomorrow to Jodhpur, but we're gonna just do what we can in this one day and see as much as possible. We just crossed this kind of like a lake which is looking super beautiful. We came from that direction. This is where we stay in that kind of area, and we are just exploring today and looking at this lake. It looks super beautiful. I can see a lot of boats here, like boat trips, so maybe we can take one as well. What can I tell you about Udaipur? To be honest, to me it's just a city with a lot of mixed colored buildings, mainly white, but I've seen a lot of orange, I've seen a lot of pink, I've seen a lot of blues, a lot of whites, and there's a lot of alleyways. This area is very touristic. I was kind of shocked to say that there's just so many tourists around this area. Loads of restaurants. I guess it's a very relaxing kind of place. So I realized dressed half of the occasion. It's actually kind of cold and hot at the same time. She's wearing her scarf on her head, kind of. It's like a headband, that's the word I was looking for. And she's wearing her new trousers. They're kind of like backpacker trousers, and she's also wearing her new shoes. Jujulina is wearing his new jumper, and I also have some new clothes on me right now, so I'm kind of cold, so I just put the scarf on myself. Underneath it's my Primark top, and I bought these new trousers. They're actually really cool and they're very backpacker style, like really light. So the first location of today's day is where we are right now, and it's called the Ambre Ghat. And basically Ambre Ghat is this temple just behind me. However, many people are not really going to the temple. Most of people that are here for the view of this lake. This lake is called Lake Pikota, and from this lake you can also see like an amazing palace that kind of looks like a hotel. And I was hoping that we can maybe go on a lake and have a little trip, but I don't know where to get the boat from. We're kind of just waiting to see if there's any boats nearby that we can take. As you can see, there's one over there. I don't know where it's going, but yeah, I think it would be really cool if we could just get on it, but I'm gonna observe a little bit more and see where it's going. So this is the temple, Ambre Ghat, and as you can see, there's nobody really inside. So it looks like we are unable to take the boat because it wasn't stopping anywhere and we didn't know where to go. So let's scrap that off our list for today. But anyways, we are out here continuing to explore the city, and I wonder where we're gonna go next. So the area that we are staying in has actually so many like alleyways. We are walking through this big alleyway, but it's super cool. There's just so many businesses around here. Udaipur seems to just have so many businesses. I mean, like from shops that sell normal items, a lot of art places, juice places, cafes. So we are just walking up this hill, and as you can see, so many scooters. We have to really be careful not to get run over. So another place very close by to our location is this temple here, which is called Jagish Temple. We're going to check it out right now. So here we have the Hindu temple. As you can see, look at this detail. I've only just realized this now. You have literally horses everywhere, humans, big statues, elephants. It looks really nice. What the hell is this? It looks like some sort of rabbit. I don't think it's a rabbit, but it looks like a rabbit. going to have some lunch. Right now we decided to visit a vegan kind of place. Well, it's a normal place but with a lot of vegan options. So the place is called Millet of Miwe, kind of something like that. And basically we are here now. We ordered some food already. We got a pizza, we got a pad thai, we got some vegan tacos, and we are super excited to be eating this delicious food because everybody around here is hungry. Arella is basically just chilling. She has a very massive space right now to be messing around. She's almost walking, not yet. She's just playing around now with her daddy. One of our dishes just arrived. Arella is super hungry. This is the pad thai. Looks super amazing. Arella, you want some am? Yeah, look at this. Oh, yeah, my gosh. And our tacos have just arrived. I mean, oh my gosh, look at this. Looks super delicious. I hope it tastes delicious too. Arella, excuse me. Check this out. Oh my gosh. This is so good. It's not like a typical taco, but it's like, And our final dish has just arrived. This vegan pizza, which is super exciting. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I guess this is what it is. So let's eat it. Welcome to our accommodation. So about 2 hours ago, we came back home. Arella had a nap in this time. And now we are here thinking what to do for the rest of the day. It's about 6 p.m. now, so literally we don't have a lot of time until this day ends, because then we have to go back home, pack, leave tomorrow. Today's day has been quite a boring one because we have been just sticking around, tried to just explore as many things as possible around that area. We have been literally just relaxing, and that is like a trip in Udaipur. So this is our accommodation that we are staying in right now. As you can see, it's a bit like disappointing. I mean, we have 2 single beds, and check these walls out. It's not the nicest walls ever. Arella is just here. She has so many toys around there, and look at this mess. This is the current situation of a mess right here. Oh my gosh, just check her hair out. It's like super fluffy. We are able to make more hairstyles on her, but still, it's still pretty short anyway. So we are just getting ready to leave the house, and check this out. Me and Juju have matching jumpers. We thought it'd be a very good idea to buy some like really warm jumpers, because this area, Rajasthan, it's actually pretty cold, especially in the morning and evenings. These jumpers have been saving our asses. They're really warm inside.
Been sleeping in them too, and I tell you what, been feeling very cozy.
It actually is true. He's been definitely sleeping in that. I find it very uncomfortable to sleep in mine, but I do wear mine like most of the time. We wanted to get matching ones because we both wanted the same color, and we thought, you know what?
No, I picked this first, and she copied me. First I got a green one, and she liked that, so she wanted to get the green one, and then I changed and got this one, and then she liked this one too.
And there is Arella. She doesn't have a matching jumper. However, she has this poncho, super cute, and this hairband looking super cute. And that is her Rajasthani outfit. She's been a little Rajasthani baby recently, but she knows we are going out. That's why she is moaning. So we just came outside, back on the bridge, and look at this beautiful sunset. Although there's actually no sun, however, the sky is like really pastel. And from here, finally, you can see the Taj Palace right over there. That's the Lake Palace. And my camera died, which means the vlog ends here. We are at home now, getting ready to leave for tomorrow. Arella is having a lot of fun with this toilet paper right now. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel right now. So I'll see you soon. Next video. Bye!